Ever hung up on a chatbot, wishing you could just talk to a human? What if I told you the future of customer service isn't about ditching AI, but about making it genuinely feel? We're diving deep into the revolutionary tech that's teaching algorithms empathy, turning frustrating automated interactions into surprisingly supportive experiences. Imagine a customer service experience where the AI doesn't just understand your words, but your frustration, your relief, your every subtle emotional cue. Get ready to discover how cutting-edge design and algorithms are bridging the empathy gap, building trust and loyalty through truly intelligent emotional resonance. This isn't just about better bots, it's about a future where technology truly connects with you. Picture this. You're having a terrible day, and the automated voice on the other end not only solves your problem but somehow makes you feel heard, understood. Sounds like science fiction, right? We're pulling back the curtain on the groundbreaking work happening right now that's transforming cold, robotic customer service into genuinely human-centric interactions, all through the power of emotional intelligence in AI. Let's be honest. For many of us, interacting with a customer service bot feels less like a helpful conversation and more like a trip to purgatory. We've all been there, trapped in an endless loop, desperately trying to get past the generic responses, feeling like we're talking to a digital wall. You ask for a refund, it offers you a recipe for banana bread. You ask about an order, it tells you the weather in Tokyo. It's frustrating, it's soul-crushing, and it's a huge problem for businesses. This isn't just a minor annoyance, it has a real psychological impact. When we're already stressed or frustrated about a product or service, current automated systems often amplify that stress. The lack of understanding, the inability to adapt, the sheer impersonality, it all contributes to a negative perception of the brand. It erodes trust, builds resentment, and can even lead to customers abandoning a company entirely. Think about it. How many times have you vowed never to use a service again just because of a terrible bot experience? The problem isn't just that bots can't solve our problems. It's that they often fail to acknowledge our feelings. They don't hear the urgency in our voice, they don't pick up on the sarcasm in our text, and they certainly don't offer a reassuring word when we're clearly at our wits' end. This empathy gap isn't just bad for business, it's fundamentally dehumanizing. We expect a level of understanding in our interactions, even with technology, and current bots often fall far short. But what if I told you that the days of the truly dumb bot are numbered? The next generation of AI isn't just scanning for keywords, it's listening. It's reading between the lines. We're entering the era of emotional AI, and it's set to revolutionize how we interact with automated systems. At the heart of this revolution is Sentiment Analysis 2.0. This isn't your old-school system that just flags positive or negative words. Modern emotional AI can detect nuanced tones, identify frustration, recognize sarcasm, and even pick up on subtle signs of relief or confusion, all in real time. It analyzes not just what you say, but how you say it. Is your voice rising in pitch? Are there pauses indicating hesitation? Is your text filled with exclamation points, or are you using passive language that suggests resignation? These are all data points for emotional AI. It's also learning to interpret nonverbal cues, even in text-based interactions. Think about it. Excessive capitalization might indicate anger, while a sudden shift to shorter, clipped sentences could signal growing impatience. AI is being trained on vast datasets of human communication, learning to correlate these patterns with specific emotional states. And in voice interactions, it's analyzing everything from speech pace to volume and pitch, building a comprehensive emotional profile of the user. This allows the AI to move beyond a rigid script and begin to truly understand the underlying human emotion. And this isn't just theoretical. Companies across various sectors are already experimenting with emotionally intelligent bots, and the early successes are surprising. We're seeing virtual assistants that can de-escalate angry calls, chatbots that offer more empathetic responses to anxious customers, and systems that can proactively identify when a user is struggling and offer more personalized support. The shift is subtle but profound, from purely transactional interactions to genuinely supportive ones. So, how do you actually design empathy into an algorithm? It's a complex blend of advanced machine learning, behavioral psychology, and thoughtful user experience design. It goes far beyond simply recognizing an emotion. It's about responding to it appropriately and effectively. One of the most powerful concepts is proactive empathy. Instead of waiting for a customer to explicitly state their frustration, an empathetic AI can predict it. For instance, if a user is repeatedly searching for the same item that's out of stock, or if their account shows a history of technical issues, the AI can anticipate their needs and offer solutions before frustration sets in. Imagine a bot saying, "I see you've had trouble with your Wi-Fi lately. Would you like me to run a diagnostic for you now?" Instead of waiting for you to rant about a slow connection. That's a game changer. Personalized responses are another critical element. Moving beyond rigid scripts, emotionally intelligent AI can tailor its language and tone based on the detected emotional state of the user. If you're clearly upset, the AI might use more calming, validating language. If you're simply seeking information, it can be more direct and efficient. This adaptive communication makes the interaction feel much more natural and human-like, fostering a sense of connection rather than irritation. It's about meeting the customer where they are emotionally. And critically, empathetic AI knows its limitations. The human handoff is perfected. Instead of a frustrating loop where you eventually demand a human, an intelligent system can identify the optimal moment to transfer you to a live agent. And here's the best part, it hands over all the context, including the emotional nuances it detected. No more repeating your story for the 5th time. The human agent arrives already briefed, acknowledging the bot's efforts, and ready to pick up exactly where the AI left off. This intelligent routing ensures that when a human is truly needed, the transition is smooth, efficient, and genuinely helpful. The possibilities unlocked by empathetic AI are vast and profoundly impactful. This isn't just about better customer service for retail, it's about enhancing human well-being and efficiency across numerous sectors. Consider healthcare. Bots equipped with emotional intelligence can offer invaluable support, especially in areas like mental well-being or patient communication. Imagine an AI helping patients manage chronic conditions, detecting signs of anxiety or depression in their daily check-ins, and proactively suggesting resources or flagging concerns for human medical professionals. These bots aren't replacing doctors, they're extending care, providing a constant, empathetic presence that understands and responds to patient emotions, helping to alleviate fear and improve adherence to treatment plans. In retail, emotionally intelligent assistants can calm frustrated customers, de-escalate difficult situations, and even save sales that might otherwise be lost. If a customer is upset about a delayed delivery, an empathetic bot can not only provide updates but also offer a sincere apology, perhaps a small credit, and truly listen to their concerns, transforming a negative experience into an opportunity to build loyalty. This moves beyond transactional apologies to genuine digital empathy. But with such powerful technology comes significant ethical considerations. As AI becomes more adept at understanding our emotions, concerns about manipulation naturally arise. It's crucial that the development of empathetic AI prioritizes transparency. Users should always be aware they are interacting with an AI, and the AI's emotional responses should be designed to be genuinely helpful and supportive, not subtly persuasive or exploitative. Establishing clear ethical guidelines and fostering public trust will be paramount for the successful integration of this technology. The future of customer service, and indeed human-AI interaction, is rapidly evolving. And your voice, your experiences, matter more than you know in shaping this empathetic future. We want to hear from you. Have you had a surprisingly positive interaction with an AI that felt genuinely helpful or empathetic? Or perhaps a truly frustrating one that highlighted the urgent need for more emotional intelligence? Share your stories and thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps businesses and developers understand what truly works and what needs improvement. By understanding how emotional AI works, we as consumers can also advocate for better, more human-centric customer service. We can demand systems that respect our emotions and provide genuine support, rather than just robotic responses. This isn't about replacing humans, it's about augmenting human connection and efficiency, making automated interactions genuinely more pleasant and productive for everyone.